Well, you'll have to put in a key. I haven't.
Wait, now it is.
I've got it coded.
What is the name of it? Deerfield.
No, it's James Bond.
James Bond. Okay, what's it coded?
My phone number, 931.
Is that a flip camera?
Yeah, they had them on sale at Big Lots for $25. So.
My son's that way.
Oh, okay.
We used these when we went to Kenya and Haiti.
And he likes the crusty stuff. Always do. He does. Yeah. Just so we can let him grow up.
Say hi.
Hey, Gail. Pull the tail end of it. I'll tell you what, let's just go backwards. Look at it, look at it. Let's go the other way. Yeah. Keep this one, go back.
Oh, how cool. You can fly backwards too.
I did that one yesterday.
Yep.
It's David and Haley.
Wow.
Don't touch the little button.
You've got
It'll
an
look
X
better when I put it on.
or a 2.
Sorry?
You have an X or a 2?
We've got the Droid X, but this is a Jazz handheld video camera. Dude, sweet. So.
There's a tree.